What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Young Financials channel. Hope you're all having a great day today. If you take a look at the portfolio here, we are down just under, or just over now, 0.75%. The market's very volatile today, and I think the reason that this is CNN says that the reason that this is because Home Depot missed expectations by a decent amount on their sales side. So I'm not sure if that's true. It could be a bunch of other things, but you never really know. So it's been fluctuating very, very highly today, so it's really volatile. If you take a look here, we actually did go in on the NVIDIA earnings. If you take a look around May, I think they did it on May 10th. Yes, I bought it for $258. I bought 35 shares, and I was actually in the positive. If you look, I'll show the all-time after this. I was about $200 in the positive, and then in after hours, it kept going up, and then it went up maybe about to, I think it was like $262 in after hours because of their earnings, because they destroyed, if you take a look here, they destroyed their EPS. They beat it by 40% actually, and many people jumped in on that, and it went up to 260, and then they reported that their data center was really weak, and a lot of people think that the fact that their cryptocurrency is starting to die down now, that they're going to start not being a growth company as much, they're not going to show as much revenue growth. And honestly, I think that's bullcrap, because if you look at it, cryptocurrency only comes with about 10%. It only makes up about 10% of their revenue. So I don't think that's true at all. This company's huge. They partnered with Google and Amazon for their cloud. They do so much stuff regarding AI and driverless cars. Now, they did kind of hold back on the Tesla driverless cars, but still, that is the next thing to come. So when that does come, this stock is going to be the first one to do it. NVIDIA is, I believe that they will be the first to actually implement this into other companies and really be the main foundation of AI and all this new stuff that's coming out. But as you can see today, it's actually down just over 4%. Now, $11, I'm not really sure why. This is definitely a good dipping point. I'm really thinking about putting money in here today and buying this, because sometimes it's not down this much, and I wonder if it's just because it had this long streak here, but I am not sure. And the thing that's weird is that even though they destroyed earnings, they beat EPS by over 40%, the stock still went down. It's almost like revenue doesn't matter. If they report good revenue, it doesn't matter. Nobody cares about that. Even if they're growing revenue-wise, they all care about the underlying. I guess it does matter. Data centers and stuff does matter, because that is their the next thing that they're trying to grow into. But still, they're still making a ton more money than everyone's expecting. So I don't know why it would go down. It just doesn't make sense to me. But, we'll see how it plays out. I do own 5 shares. I did sell 30 of them. I only lost, I think, about $100 off of that. But I was actually really surprised, because I was really expecting it to go up. But, it is what it is. Can't really complain. If you look at all time, we are down $270 after today and yesterday. Basically, we were up $200 here, and then we just kind of dropped off pretty hard. But, it's all right. We have 16 Apple shares, 5 NVIDIA shares, and 240 Eli shares. And I'm going to hold on to this forever, pretty much. I would probably end up selling, I don't know. I haven't really decided yet on that, but I do own call options for that. And I haven't really gotten into call options or just options in general. I'm kind of just getting into it now, just trying to see how things play out. And I really don't have a whole lot of money. As you can see, I have an equity of 30 in this. I have 2 contracts, and it expires on the 18th, this Friday. And then this one expires August 17th, I want to say. So, I'm really not trying to get too into it. I'm just trying to mess around with it just to see where it goes. I have about probably $200 in equity, maybe $170 actually. So guys, if you guys know anything about options, or you getting in options, I do recommend them. It's a way for you, if you have less money, to make more money, for sure. I have $140 in equity, and I'm up 6% in that position, and I mean, it's not a whole lot. Like, you really, it's risky though. It's very risky because you can lose all your money. I'm probably not gonna ever let these contracts play out. These contracts run out. I'm probably just gonna sell them. But then again, I don't really know how it 100% works. So we're gonna go through because I know what options are, but I have not tried them on the Robinhood app. So I guess we're gonna have to see, and I'll definitely make more videos on posting how they went and just stuff like that, because I really won't go into too complex thing like the Greeks. It's just very confusing. So if you want to know basically how options work, I forget which channel I looked up. I think it was Skyward Solutions or something like that. Skyworks something. He goes into full in depth, and it was very good. I understood it. So I mean, if you really want to get into options, and if you don't have a lot of money, like I said before, like I didn't really start seeing my money in my portfolio hold weight until I had about, I wouldn't say more than $5,000 in it. But if you do options, you can do it with 1,000. Like, you can see results like right away. I mean, it's riskier in my opinion because you can lose more money, but with big risk comes big reward. So guys, if you guys are into options already, let me know. Let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments. If you guys liked the video, like it. If you didn't, dislike it, and just tell me exactly what you want to see and tell me what I can improve on and just stuff like that. All right, guys, hope you all have a great day.